Hey friends, welcome back to Error Genie, where I help you troubleshoot your gaming issues with simple step-by-step guides. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the content not accessible error in Roblox. If you've run into this error while trying to join an experience, don't worry. I've got you covered. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. Understand the issue. The content not accessible error usually pops up due to content maturity settings or age restrictions on your Roblox account. To fix this, you'll need to adjust a few settings. Step 2. Open Roblox in your browser. Launch your preferred browser and go to the Roblox website, roblox.com. Log in using your account credentials. Step 3. Update your birth date. Once logged in, click the gear icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Under the Personal tab, check your birth date. Ensure it reflects an age 13 or older. If it shows an age under 13, update it to meet the requirement. Note: changing your birth date might require parental consent, depending on your account. Step 4. Adjust content maturity settings. On the left-hand menu, click Privacy. Scroll down to Content Maturity. Change the setting from minimal to either moderate or restricted. Moderate allows more experiences to be accessed while maintaining some restrictions. Restricted unlocks nearly all experiences for players 13 plus. Save your changes. Step 5. Test the fix. Close your browser and reopen the Roblox app or website. Try joining the experience again. This time, the content not accessible error should be resolved, and you'll be able to play without any issues. And that's it, friends. You've now fixed the content not accessible error in Roblox. If this guide helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe to Error Genie, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.